I want to show you the instructions, guys. This is very important to read it. Make sure to have some of this at home first because you're gonna need them. It comes with this mirror. So I'm gonna start doing the drawer. This is how it looks so far, and now I'm gonna start with the stool. Okay guys, this is ready and it looks very nice. You see, that's the stool. Let me show you. You can use it as a storage, and it's gray color. And now I want to show you the barn door, which is really nice. You can just slide it like this and use it for storage. I want to show you this really nice mirror. So it comes with 3 different legs. You turn it up here, it's touchable. So we got a white light, and then you can switch it here. We got yellow light, and then we got another different type of white light, which is really nice. You can clearly see yourself, do your makeup, do your hairstyle. So we also got a drawer here. We can just open it here, and then you can just keep your stuff inside. It is very small, very minimalistic, which is great. I actually wanted something like this, just perfect for small spaces. The installation process is very easy. Just follow instructions. Everything is in there. It might take you some time, but follow the instructions and you're gonna have it there.